Let me tell you 3 lessons I learned when I started to up my level of production as well as keep myself focused and energized. I'm talking about putting out at a high energy level with a smile on face, and it's not fake. Lesson number 1, know when you have to take a break. Know when your energy level is low. Know that point that you have to actually sit down and fill your tank. Lesson number 2, use a timer, because if you find yourself in a happy, comfortable place, you won't want to leave, especially when you have all these other things that you need to do, and this feels so good. So the technique I like to really lean into is something called the Pomodoro Technique, but I do it slightly different. I teach it slightly different, but the rules still apply. You work for a block, you take a block of time off for a block where you recharge your mind and quiet yourself down. Number 3, you have to start learning to, when you do take your breaks and you do start to recharge, you have to recharge your body and get your body moving. So I'm lucky enough where I can do different exercises inside of my workouts, into my world. But you can do something as easy as air squats, lunges. These lessons are so important for you to actually add in, not just know, but add into your world, and do it often. Do it every single day, because the more and more you give yourself that time, the more and more you can push without breaking. So what I've learned is more people start to do things more, and they start putting a bigger output, and they're saying, I'm getting a lot more things done throughout the week, and then they crash on the weekend. Don't be that person. You want to have a consistent output every single day. And because you're doing that, you need to recharge all the way throughout the day. So you have this wave. The more and more you can keep this wave really low, the faster you go.